Hello, hello, hello. I've got Emma here with me today.
Hi.
She thinks she's excited. I think she's excited. What lipstick are you wearing? Do you know which one you're wearing? It's Dramalicious.
Dramalicious.
And who made the lipstick?
Color Street. And can I have the box? We're gonna be opening a box from Color Street.
Do you know what it is?
No.
It's the subscription box that came today.
It's the subscription box that came today.
Yep.
How do I open it?
You open it here.
Can you open it?
You open it like this.
Okay. Can I show them all that's in here?
Okay.
What
We'll
are
start here. Hold on.
Start with this.
Start with this.
Okay. So what does it say?
Do you know what this says? Virtual Resort.
So this card says virtual
Resort.
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 There you go.
I suck at it. Can I show?
So, hold on. Hold on. No, we show that last. We show the goodies at the end. We show the goodies at the end. So this month is Virtual Resort.
This month is virtual
Resort.
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 Why do you say it like dessert? Okay, now show them that this is where the QR code is that you scan.
This is where the QR code is where you scan.
So that you can pull up how to do them. The one that's different is they don't have the little books like they did last time. Okay, so now do you want to show them the nails that are in there?
Wait,
Okay.
How do I show them if it's covered up?
Okay, so you're gonna pull it out.
Okay.
And it says on the back what it is, so I need to see on the back what it says. This is in a glitch.
This is in a glitch.
Okay, so I'm going to get that closer so you can see that. So this one is like a regular set that you get from Color Street.
It looks like a disco ball.
Okay, hold on. We're not there yet. It has 8 strips in a set and 2 sets in here. So this one is in a glitch. It has 8. Okay.
What does this one say? This one's pixel perspective. So here's it. Let me do it. Here's it up close. What do I say?
So this one, there's how many are here?
6.
There's 6 strips in a set, and it looks like you get 2 sets in here. And I actually think this is more like a clear overlay. It does kind
Color Street, baby.
It does kind of look like a disco ball, but it's got different colors.
The next one.
Okay, we're not to the next one yet. You gotta calm down. Be nice to the strips. So this one I think you can put over top, and it'll have some blue and some pink there. Okay, where's the thing that this goes in? Okay, so let me see that one. That one's virtual views.
This one's virtual brews.
Virtual views.
Virtual views.
And how many are in this one?
7.
No, they're counting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I threw you off. There's 6 in here, and this is kind of it's a glittery. I think this one. Hey, this is more of like a little glittery overlay type thing. I think. I wish you guys could see it, but it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so there should be one other set in there. Is there another set in there? This one is cool. This is called Data Drip.
This one's called Data Drip.
But you got to show them the side that's the colored one. So it's silver, and it's got cuts at different. They look like drips.
Usually you put like a real nail on, and when you put those on, like some can like stick out, and then it will look very cool because from here
they'll be like they're dripping down on your finger.
Yep.
Okay. What else is in the box? That's the nail prep pad. What do they?
So this is what you put on first. You like put it on your fingers
to clean it off,
and then you use this. You have to like undo it, and then you like
Yeah, that's to help get the edges off. You file them down.
And this is how you get the edges off. You like file them down.
Okay.
Then what does this say?
This is just a little card that tells them what's in there, the names of the sets.
So this is the card that says the names of the set. Now it's time for this.
Now it's time for the special goodie that came in it.
Okay, you ready, guys? Pizza man.
Pizza man.
Pizza.
Oh yeah, there is a pizza down there. Here, why don't you come over so you're more in the center?
So, first thing we got is a little scrunchie. I'll show you it in my hair.
Hey, your hair is actually long enough to...
I have short hair, okay, girl?
I know, but you can actually... That is beautiful.
So this is what it looks like in my hair. And if you take it out...
And is it...
Look.
What does it feel like? What does it feel like to you?
It feels like there's like snow in it and like...
Is it soft?
Yes.
I think
and
it's like
this
satin.
is like a mask that you like put over your face to sleep. So you don't see anything.
So it's dark. Let's see what does it say on it?
Nothing.
It says logging off. So the whole...
So this says logging off and... Well, it like fun to like sleep with because if you ever have bad dreams and like you think they're coming true, you can like just grab it and then put it over here.
I was really curious about this box when they told us what the theme was, and I really wasn't sure how it was all going to turn out. But I have to admit, they really pulled it all together because the whole thing with the virtual resort is logging off of social media, checking out of anything digital, and just taking some time out to do things. So I was really curious when I saw the eye mask. I was like, what is that for? How does this go with the theme? But it's really cool, and they give you like instructions on how to clean it. So I know I used masks like this for a while, especially like during the summer when it would get really bright outside really early in the morning. I would use this so that I could sleep a little bit later. But yeah, that is what is in the box for this month. Mine came today. Today is the 9th. They ship out on the 8th. I live in southeastern PA, so we're not very far from where they ship out from Jersey. So that's probably why we get it so super fast. But I think they also ship them out a little bit earlier so that you get them. Almost everybody on my team has gotten theirs. And there are some that are on the West Coast. So that was for this month, Virtual Resort. The one thing that's different from the other boxes is that instead of having that little pamphlet that you open, you just have this with the code that you scan to get that information. There's 4 sets in there this month, and then also your nail prep pad and your nail file. So that's everything for this box. Bye.